The vacuum pressure impregnated transformer from Larson Electronics converts 3-phase 6900 volt delta to 3-phase 480Y and 277YN. This power distribution unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 2500 KVA AC power from a variety of sources such as direct grid power. The entire system is secured to a skid mount platform. This transformer is equipped with a 5-position tap changer to allow for small changes in voltage. This system has copper windings for high strength and electrical conductivity. This transformer features minimized air gaps and voids in the insulation, leading to increased durability and thermal stability. The Class F transformer meets standard efficiency requirements, which makes this unit suitable for use in electrical rooms, air-conditioned spaces in buildings, and similar locations in addition to outdoor areas. This transformer provides owners with significant energy savings as well as offering environmental benefits. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.